People, I'm loving this song right now. Yeah.
That is it.
So, that's it?
Yeah, right now.
Alright, so people go stream it and it's on
All platforms.
That's it. Remind me of the producer again.
Rafadan, Brim Records.
Rafadan, Boom Records. Where is this studio?
Washington Boulevard.
What? Oh, in Kingston.
Yeah.
So, are they your work straight?
Yeah, most definitely. Work with other studios too, other producers, but right now mainly, we're just been working with Brim Records.
Okay, alright. Yeah, so.
We have a lot of projects for release with Brim Records.
And as you mentioned, you know, a lot of projects. What's next for you?
Alright, as I said before, we have a lot of projects to release, more music videos, more songs, various producers. You see me? Yeah, so holy power.
Holy power. Alright, sounds great, sounds great. I love it this song right now.
Yeah.
So let's go out there without fear, is it?
That is it.
Yeah. What about shows? You doing any shows?
Yeah, I haven't done any show in a while. I think my last show was Ghetto Splash.
And that is?
No.
Oh no, Waterhouse.
Yeah,
watching
Waterhouse.
show.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I performed that show. I think it was my last show.
Alright, sounds great, sounds great. Say you're gonna do any collabs with any known artists or
Yeah, I've been doing some collabs. I have a collaboration out there with Lisa Iva from the Gaza. Yeah, it's titled Chop Already. It's out there on all platforms also, so them can stream that. You see me? I have a few more collabs. I can't remember everything right now, but if them stream the music, them check out M Banks Vivo YouTube, then we see the work I put in. Big up Lisa Iva too.
No, big up Lisa Iva. See?
That is it.
Yeah, me I keep me sure. She never said no.
No.
Yeah, she come support me.
Respect her, man.
And she was there like from 12.
No.
And she performed for you guys, you know.
Bad artist too.
Bad artist, yeah, and she, you know, she have a strong vibes. Like
True.
if you parade her,
Yeah, man,
she
definitely.
move like it's a thug, you wouldn't think it's a girl.
True, definitely.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and she have a musical vibe. I think she get that from the teacher too, you know.
She was in the parking lot.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so mama just said, what happened? Where drinks?
No.
Fix up. So she have that, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm from the teacher too, I know you
No,
the teacher.
I tell you, that musical
Yeah,
energy.
soldier.
Exactly.
Yeah, so big up Lisa Iva.
Yeah, man.
She always been supporting Sun City
True.
over the years. So
Yeah, man. So the people have to check out that song there with me and Lisa Iva. People that's M Banks featuring Lisa Iva. You see me? Title Chop Already.
they said Lisa, I wouldn't mind you call on the DJ over Freedom Street.
No.
Yeah. You know,
Right
I'm
now.
fully endorsed the event there.
Right now.
Yeah, Vibes Cartel show. You know, Lisa book feet.
No, definitely.
Yeah, so I tell her, with a jive, I say Lisa, I say, oh, Box.
Right now.
Alright now, alright now.
That is it.
Alright, let's talk about your social media. Instagram and
Yeah, M Banks Official. You see me, Instagram. Vivo, and the YouTube is M Banks Vivo. You see me, and on mostly all the platforms them is MBA and Triple X. You see me, every platform, TikTok, all of them. Yeah, man.
you copyright the name? You should.
Yeah.
You should.
Yeah,
You
man.
should.
Yeah, man. Yeah, definitely.
And I think because the way you spell it, it's supposed to be easy.
Easy for you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
Brilliant.
Yeah, man. Big up Weed Seed, man. Oh, yeah, so, man. That is it.
Yeah, man. Alright, make some shout outs, huh?
Yeah, man. Big up Brim Records, big up my community, Jerusalem, you see me, big up Rafa and Ali Brim, you see me, big up the whole team. I want to say big up Lisa Hyper, big up Nico Chromatic, rest in peace, you see me, and big up Tammy too. Yeah, man, I'm a G that, you know, that is it.
Yeah, Tammy, big support how it too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the last
I really do, man.
last big show, Portmore Fest.
Yeah,
Tammy,
true.
yeah, the place how it is. So big up Tammy.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, my brother, I've seen you all the best.
That is it.
You know, for the
Big up
music
Weed
and
Seed,
career.
Sun City.
Every
No?
time is in. Alright, so if someone listening I won't get to you, hope you have your management.
Yeah,
You have a number for who manage you?
currently, we are doing our own thing right now. But we have pending people who want to manage the thing, but circumstances, so certain things still pending. But if they want bookings, any little thing, as I say, you can reach out on the Instagram at mbanks official, or you can dial 876-282-6714. As in, someone will be here to assist.
Nice, nice. Alright. Big up yourself, my brother.
That is it.
Tell you, say, It's a joy. Is it?
Yeah, man. All it more new thing to come anytime soon now, though.
Yeah. I was there as real youth on the radio. To endorse the youth.
Yeah, definitely.
Because that same seat there, at that same location where there,
Mm-hmm.
when you talk about Jamil before the grape, Alkaline before the grape.
Yeah.
Alkaline did even with a white marina. My mother did, you know?
Yeah.
Because my mother had the boss at the place.
Yeah.
So she never did really do like of the attire.
Mm-hmm.
But he never get fired.
No.
Yeah, he's still, you know?
Yeah.
And look at Alkaline now.
Look at him
Because
now.
he was no sound.
Yeah, true.
See?
And same banks and all people.
Same banks, you know? See? Jada Kingdom as well.
No.
I want to tell you, say, in this location, because the studio was over that side.
Yeah.
So my recording studio was in here where we're at now.
Mm-hmm.
And Jada Kingdom, yes, so she did it.
No.
Yeah, so our first hit song, the spirit of inner, so it's that.
Start. Sure.
Yeah, big up Solar J, big up JJ Wizard,
No.
Rosemary Jackson, the radio too. And
At that current time.
yeah, push our career. Big up Chuck Fender as well, because Chuck Fender,
Mm-hmm.
care as a weed seed, really talented. And enough people don't even know, you know Chuck Fender last time, they even really
Sure.
say, you know, they on that.
Yeah.
But we have to just give credit.
We credit you.
We credit you.
Most definitely.
See, so right now, yeah, I see him energy, so I hope you can rub off on the shoulder bone.
Yeah, man, definitely.
I can't go.
No, right now.
Right now. So, big up yourself every time.
Yeah, man, big up
Yes.
yes.
Big up. Time is 8:32. I go for a break, alright? After the break, you know. More vibes. That is it.
Fully brim, big up all of the active people in my life right now, though.
Active. Alright, people.